Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, this is Mary's Ropes Folk, and today I have a little tutorial for you today. We're going to make a knotted cross charm. They're really easy to make, super fun. You can put them on keychains, bracelets, necklaces, whatever you want. So we're going to start with about 24 inches of string. I'm using a blue one today. This is number 18 nylon. And you're going to want one of these little knotting tools. So we're going to work with today. So we're going to start off with leaving about, let's see, I'm going to leave 3 inches. I'm going to start 3 inches in here. So about right here, we're going to make a barrel knot. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to take our tail end and we're going to put it through the back. So right here. And we're going to slide that up, pull it tight. Should have something like this. Okay. We're going to have our short end is going to come back through this way. So we're going to slowly slide this off. We're going to take our short end. Now this would be the time you want to attach it. So if you're attaching this to a bracelet, you're going to want to do this now. Because once you put this through there, it's fixed. You're not going to be able to undo it. So for now, I'm just going to show you how to make the charm. You can attach it to whatever you want though. So we're going to take this short piece, slide it into the knot, like so. And we're going to pull that through just a little bit because you want room for your bail. And we're going to tighten that up. You're going to take your longer end while you're tightening it, and you're going to hold on right here. Tighten with this hand. That's good. Okay. We have our little loop. Now we're going to make, this is going to be the top part of your cross. Now we're going to make the bottom part. You're going to ignore that little piece for now. And this part you can wrap them as many times as you want. I'm going to wrap it 5 times. So we're going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so. We're going to hold on to that knot. And again, you're going to take your long end. You're going to put it in the back. Slide it through that knot. Pull. Should have something like this. I'm going to slide it off. And you're going to work that knot pretty close to the top part of the cross. Not all the way, because we still need to put the cross bar through here. So we're tightening it up. Okay. Now we're going to cut and burn. Only if you're an adult. We're going to cut right about here. And burn that in. Okay. So now we have that. And I'm going to cut off this little piece here. Pretty close to the top. Just enough to burn the fray. Okay. Now you should have something like that. Alright. Now we're going to put on our crossbar. I burn my ends so they're easier to work with and they don't fray. You're going to go right in the middle between those 2 knots. You're going to tie your string on right in the middle. So it should look like that. And we're going to put a barrel knot over here and a barrel knot over here. So I'm going to take my tool. I'm going to wrap 3 times over here. Again, going through the back of the tool, coming up through the knot. Oops. There we go. Pull it. And you're going to work that knot down towards the rest of them. So you have that. Okay? We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to wrap that 1, 2, 3. Take the back or longer piece over here through the back. Push it upward. And we're going to work that knot all the way to the end there, right with the other guys. Okay? So you should have that. Now, you can zhuzh it a little bit, make it even. Make sure each sides are perfectly even. Alright, then we're going to cut them. We're just going to burn them. Again, only do this if you are an adult or you have somebody helping you. Voila! We have our little cross charm. So just remember, if you're going to attach this to something, unless you put like a jump ring on this, you're going to want to attach it right away. So yeah, you can put this right now on a keychain, on a school bag, a purse, whatever you want. You can put a little jump ring and attach it to a necklace, however you want to do it. So this is the knotted cross charm. And you can use different wrapping amounts. You don't have to do what I do. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.